Welcome to the Complete Financial Control Worksheet video tutorial. As this is a 5.0 spreadsheet model, it has a top and side navigation menu, dashboards showing spreadsheet information, an instructions tab where you can schedule a free class, watch this video tutorial again, unprotect the spreadsheet to make customizations and options such as changing the spreadsheet language and currency, menu colors and fonts, changing the logo, adding or deleting tabs, and support. This worksheet helps in setting up a new business, a new initiative providing a feasibility study. It has a new functionality that allows you to do a dynamic analysis of the year ahead from 3, 5 years up to 10 years. In practice, we can project revenues, expenses, and investments, culminating in feasibility indicators that indicate whether or not it's worth investing your money in this business. Starting with assumptions, in project, we enter the project initial year, month, and number of years analyzed. Below, we inform the monetary data such as total available capital, whether third-party capital will be used and how much, thus generating the percentage of equity and the percentage of third-party capital. In initial investments, we insert the desired item, value, and annual depreciation, generating the total investment. Moving on to price and pricing, we enter the product or service, the markup, income taxes, and annual price change. In costs, we inform for each product inserted, the costs generating the total cost, and in the previous tab, we have these values reproduced with the markup changes, taxes, and price variation. In man-hour, we inform the personal cost values. In the projections tab, we start with sales, informing the amount of sales projected for each product or service in the months below. Thus, we have the analysis of revenue projections. In expenses, we enter expenses with value, annual readjustment, and the start and end dates of the expense. Reports show us in feasibility upon defining the monthly discount rate, the NPV and IRR indicators, available starting capital, initial investment, break-even point, and payback. Here, we have the total and yearly summary of several items such as income, cost, taxes, and etc. In projections, we have the analysis of revenue projections per what was entered before in the spreadsheet. Monthly view shows the summary by month of what was previously entered. Printing allows us to visualize the topics with some graphics below them. In scenarios, we can see the optimistic and pessimistic scenarios. For example, we can set an optimistic scenario, the higher revenue in, lower expense on, lower investment in, and then we set the discount rate by year. And we have all those indicators. NPV, IRR, available starting capital. Right next to it, we have the summary, total, and by year. Both this optimistic and pessimistic. Finishing with dashboards, feasibility allows us to visualize some indicators and beside them some charts such as accumulated, payback, free profit, break-even chart. In projections, we can select a year and visualize what was foreseen and what was achieved. In scenarios, when we select a desired scenario, pessimistic or optimistic, we define the variables and we can then visualize the comparison of the desired scenario with the default scenario in the chart below. Finally, we have the financial dashboard by year 1, year 2, year 3, up to year 10. We have reached the end of this tutorial. Thank you very much.